Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add picture to Netflix account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Okay, after that, select your profile. And then click on My Netflix and click on your profile. Okay, and then select Manage Profiles, and then you can tap on yours. Okay, and then click here to edit, and select any icon you want to use as your profile picture. Okay, and then your profile picture is successfully added. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add picture to Netflix account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.